Taraweeh. And Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has guided us for fasting, and by this rak'ah that we just finished, we finished Surah Al-Baqarah, Allahu Akbar. But there is no chocolate today. Okay? Don't say Al-Baqarah, you're expecting me to give you chocolate. There is no chocolate. Okay, and tomorrow, inshallah, that will be the third day of Ramadan, the fourth night of fasting, the fourth night of Taraweeh. And one of the things that I want you to think about after praying Taraweeh, after fasting Ramadan or this day, you need to think of one word. It is called Al-Qabul. Who knows in Urdu? Qabul? You have? Qabul, okay? So Qabul means acceptance. Because you are, at the end of the day, when you fast, when you pray, when you make a dua, you want Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to accept your deeds. Am I right? Or you do it just for fun? You know, you want the acceptance. You want Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, all the deeds to be counted in your record. So you want Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give you the reward. But now, we have two conditions, very quickly, we have two conditions for acceptance. Who remembers? Where is the team of the masjid? Allahu Akbar. Someone is cheating here. So the first one is the sincerity. To have sincerity in your actions, in your worship. You need to have ikhlas. You need to have sincerity. You need to have the good intention. That's number one. What's number two? Allahu Akbar. Here is our Imam, mashallah. Is to follow the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. That's why they said, ما كان أخلصه وأصوبه. قالوا وما أخلصه. قال أن يكون لله. قالوا وما أصوبه. قال أن يكون على سنة رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. So you need to fulfill two conditions. The first one is to have sincerity in your action. And number two is to follow in this action the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. At the end of the day, you are looking for the acceptance. What is the obvious, clear verse about the acceptance? Is the experience of Sayyidina Ibrahim. When Sayyidina Ibrahim and Sayyidina Ismail had built the sacred house, Al-Kaaba, what did they say to Allah? رَبَّنَا تَقَبَّلْ مِنَّا إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ. They were thinking about qabul, about the acceptance. So I need you, when you come to the masjid, you fasted, alhamdulillah, you came to Taraweeh. Before you leave the masjid, ask yourself that question. Did Allah accept my worship? That's a big question. Did Allah accept my worship? Did Allah saw my good intention? Because even the qabul is rizq. Do you know that? Qabul is rizq from Allah. Pay attention. I want to give the message to the young generation. The rizq, your sustenance, is not only money. It's not when you get your paycheck. You're coming to the masjid is rizq. Most of us now, when we say rizq, we just think of money. You are sitting here in a good health, that is rizq. You have a righteous wife, is rizq. You have a healthy son and righteous son, is rizq. The scholars mention that money is the lowest of the lowest level of rizq. That's the lowest. Your Islam is rizq. Your ability to hear is rizq. Sisters in the back, the righteousness of your husband is rizq. Your salah in your house is rizq. If you have stability and security, alhamdulillah, is rizq. Not everything is money. You know, nowadays they say money talks. Do you know which language? Urdu? Which language? Money talks. And they said, like, my husband is my honey, when he gives money. You know, my husband is my honey when he gives money. So he responded and said, my wife is cute when she is mute. Allahu Akbar. You see? Alhamdulillah. And inshallah I will not be in trouble because my wife already left. I'm on the safe side here. May Allah bless you all. Allahumma ameen. Inshallah, let's continue Taraweeh. Inshallah, we have another day tomorrow. Inshallah. Barakallah.